Hello everyone, my name is Lahari. I am from ECB section. My roll number is 20BQ1A0486.
Yes, today I am here to give a seminar. My topic is about strings. Let's get into the more information to learn more about strings. In Python, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed within a single quote or double quote or triple quotes. These characters could be anything like letters, numbers or special symbols enclosed within double quotation marks. For example, VVIT enclosed with double quotes. This is a string. The string type in Python is represented using a str class. Once a string is created, we can do many operations on it, such as we can search inside it and we can create a substring from it, and we can split it in various types. Strings. The string is immutable, that is, it cannot be changed once it is defined. You need to create a copy of it if you want to modify it or you want to change it. This non-changeable behavior is called immutability. Each character is encoded in the ASCII or Unicode character. So we can say that Python strings are also called the collection of Unicode characters. The syntax of strings is str is equal to hello Python enclosed with double quotes. If we print the type str, the output we can get is class str. Here, if we check the type of the variable str using a Python script, then it will print a string str. In Python, strings are treated as the sequence of characters, which means that Python does not support the character data type. Instead, a single character written as P enclosed with single quotes is treated as the string of length 1. Creating string in Python. We can create the string in Python by using a single quotes, by using double quotes and also triple quotes. For example, if we use single quotes, str1 is equal to hello Python enclosed with single quotes. If we print this str1, the output we will get is hello Python enclosed with single quotes. If we use double quotes, similarly we can get hello Python enclosed with double quotes. If we use triple quotes, similarly we can get matter inside the enclosed with triple quotes. Python strings indexing and splitting. The indexing of the Python string starts from 0. It does not start from 1, but it starts from 0. For example, let's take hello enclosed with double quotes. If we write index numbers for this hello, it starts from 0 and it ends from 0. It ends from 4. The index number of H is 0, E is 1, L is 2, and L is 3, O is 4. In Python, the slice operator, that square brackets, is used to access the individual characters of the string. However, we can use the colon operator in Python to access the substring from the given string. Here there are given some examples which gives various outputs. The index number before the semicolon indicates the starting number of the index, and after the colon the index number indicates that is the ending of the index, but it does not include that index. Let's check this by running it. Yes, let's look into these examples. I gave name is equal to Lahari in double quotes. First, print name colon. I didn't mention any starting index number and any ending index number, so it printed the whole name Lahari. Next, name colon 5. I didn't mention starting index number, but I mentioned the ending index number. It is 5, but it does not include 5. It only includes up to 4. Here the fourth index number is R, so it prints only up to R. Then the output is LAHAR. Next, name 0 colon. I gave the starting index number as 0 and I didn't mention the ending index number. So it printed the whole name Lahari. Next example, name 1 colon 4. The first index number is 1 and ending index number is 4, but it only includes up to third index number. Here first index is A and third index is also A. So it prints up to AHA. Name -1. Minus sign means it will start from the last. So -1th index is I. So it prints I. Name -4. -4th index means I index number is -1, R is -2, A is -3, H is -4. So -4th index number. The output will be H. Name -4 column -2 -1. Here starting index number is -4, ending is -1. But it does not include -1, it only includes up to -2. -4th index, here the letter in -4th index is H and in -2th index is R. So the output will be HAR. Next example, name colon -1. Here in this example, I didn't mention any starting index number or any ending index number, but I added a colon and I mentioned -1. That means this will gives the reverse of the given name. Here the output is IRAHAL, the reverse of the name Lahari. Let's take another example for the reverse string. I gave name is equal to hello and I printed name colon -1. The output is the reverse of hello, OLLEH. So by this ending video, I hope we learned something about strings and how to write the index numbers of the strings and how to print the letters. Thank you.